I'm able to, okay, good. I'm going to start going through the notebook. All of you pick out your notebook. I don't want people to talk. You have forgotten to do it, so okay, that is your fault. Okay? I get to do question 2, right? Right, everything lah, right? Question 2 says, I will mark that one. Okay? Let's look at question 2a. Given the prime factorization of each of the following numbers, find the square root without using a calculator. Now, this is what we do, right? Square root of 9801, this will be 3 power 2 times 11. Answer? 99. Now, let me just run the bus. The one that we answer is this is called index notation. If they never say index notation, you must give me 99. Do you understand? They say index notation, no, they didn't say, so I must give 99. Are we clear? Okay. Next, we look at part B. I will work on straight away to the square root. 3 power 3 times 7. Is this correct? What's the answer? 189. Is everyone okay? Later I will show something. Okay. Some people ask the question just now. Square root of this will be 2 times 3 times 13. Answer? 156. And let me recap. How do we check the answer? You can use calculator to check, right? Okay, you can either press the square root or you can press 156 square to see if you get the answer. Okay, now part D, 518400. This will be 24 times 3 times 5. And what answer? 720. Is this correct? Yes, okay. Some people ask me a good question. Now, what if I have a certain number A? I don't know what it is. Then the point factorization is like this. When I find square root of A, can I find square root of A? This one is 1, you know. This one is 1, you know. Square root is 2, they take out, right? And you see all these are even, right? Now, first, let me explain. Does it mean that this number got no square root? No, there is a square root. But the number is not a whole number. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay, can all of you think of it? What's 3 times 5 squared times 7 4? What? 1, 8, 0. How many 0? 7, 5, is it correct? Use your calculator and help me. Is this correct? Okay, then all of you take square root 18075. Is it a decimal? Is it a decimal? Okay. That means in order to use this method, all the powers here has to be even numbers. Or divisible by 2. Or multiples of 2. Then we can take square root. Now from here we can also infer. What if it's cube root? All the powers must be what? Multiples of 3. What if they are not multiples of 3? Then the cube root still exists, but it is not a whole number. That's all. Are we clear now? Are we clear now? Okay. Now I'm going to go to the next question that I've given you. That is question number 4. Am I right? Okay. Let us all look at question number 4. Yes or no? Okay, so then I say that these Can you see the answers there for you to check? To all the questions. But there's no working. If working, then must not be able to working. Understand what I'm talking about? So, can I need you to check question 4, all the answers yourself? Yes or no? I will do one last one. Okay? 4D. Not very 4D, yeah? What is the cube root of this? 2 forward. 3, good. Times. 3 times 5. So what's the answer? 120. Then everybody get the answer. Can you see the answer at the back is also the same? Okay? So are we clear now? Have I answered the question? Have I answered the question? Yes, huh? Okay? So are we clear now? Yes or no? Okay, then I am moving forward to example 7. And all of you want to page 12. This one is not easy, huh? Example 7 on page 12. Okay? Example 7 on page 12. I don't need people to write anything, you just listen to me. Later on, I'm going to go through a similar question and to copy to your notebook. My instructions clear? Okay, let's go at example 7, part 1. Use 5 factors to explain why 6 times 2 power of 4 is a perfect square. 6 times 24, sorry, is a perfect square. Now, all of you look up here first. 6, I don't need to do that. It's just 2 times 2. Okay, all of you look up. Don't copy. 24 is like that. So 24 is what? 2 to the power of 3 times 3, right? Okay. Now if I combine, I can only combine those in the same base. So this is 2 to the power of what? 4, right? Times 3 to the power of 2, right? Because 2 times. Can see it? Okay. 4 first. Go over first. I'm in trouble. Okay, look up here. Where did the 2 times 3 come from? 6 is 2 times 3, no? Well, then this one is this one. Okay? Okay? Alright, now. Do you agree that this one is like this? If I take square root, because all the powers are even, I can get a whole number, right? That means this number will be a perfect square. Yes or no? Now, what if one of the number is like that? Then is it still a perfect square? No. Because it will not be a whole number. Understand? Then how do we explain that? That all of you go to page 12. Look at the answer there. Since the index, or you can say power, don't talk when I'm explaining, since the index of each prime factor of 6 times 24 is even, then 6 times 24 is a perfect square. Are you clear now? You say I'm even. Now, if I want to write even, what can I write? The powers are multiples of what? 2. Or you can say the powers are divisible by 2. Also can. Understand now? Not like I must say even numbers. Everybody okay? Alright. Are you clear with part 1? Okay, next. Move on to part 2. This one might be a bit more challenging. I want all to look at my presentation. I'm not doing it as the same as textbook. K is a non-zero whole number. What do you mean by non-zero? That means cannot be zero. Okay? We know that 6 times 24 times 8 is a perfect cube. Write down the smallest value of K. A bit difficult. Don't worry. Are we clear now? Okay, can you copy this one into the textbook? You can not also get up to you as long as you refer to it. Because I did it in a different way as a textbook. There are two ways about it. I want to present about it. Just copy anywhere in the textbook. Okay? Yes. 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 Alright. You got to do that. Okay? Alright. Are we okay so far? Are we okay so far? Okay, good. Because you know why? Okay. This one is the original, right? From 2, 4, how do you make 6? You must add 2. Understand? Also, that means it will become okay. That's why I purposely box it up so that you can see. The textbook didn't box up, you understand? Exam can box out, not can. Do whatever you understand. Understand? But don't do it in the top grade. Okay, part 3. Let's look at part 3. This one is a bit more cheap in a certain sense that they use a lot of algebra letters. Cheap means very deep, like very difficult, but actually it's not. It's bullshit. Okay, now let's take a look. P and Q are both what? They are prime numbers. Must bear in mind first. Okay? Find the values of P and Q so that 6 times 24 times P over Q is a perfect cube. Now more challenging. Can you see? I'm going to explain the same way again. No copying, you must understand. You see class? No point copying down what I say without understanding, because exam will not be the same question. But the concept must go. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, now, everybody look here. I don't want people to talk. This one we already know is 2 to the power of 4. No. 2 to the power of 4 times 3 power of 2, right? Right. Then I must times something over something, right? That will make it a perfect cube, right? Okay, 2. This one still must be 2 to the power of 2, right? Okay. We already got still must be 2 to the power of 2. Okay. Do you think it works? Do you think it works? Then it will not be prime. Can you see they say prime numbers? So cannot. So we cannot. Understand? I'm teaching you because this is a thinking process. People will think like that. Because that's how I do like that now. Am I right? That's why I write down here. Everybody okay? Now then you must think. Can this be 3? Yes. That will be 3 power of 3, right? Yes. Okay. How to make this 2 to the power of 3? I divide by 2, right? You see that? 2 to the power of 4 divide by 2. This is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? I divide by 2, so it becomes 3 times. Correct? Can see it? Can see it? Cannot see it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide by 2. 1 go on. Then what? 2 to the power of 3. Correct? Then you look up. Then we must double look again. Everybody okay now? Now let me check. Are these prime numbers? Are these prime numbers? Okay. So what should be my P? 3. What should be my Q? 2 must be 2. Are we clear now? Yes. Yeah. Because this is what we are supposed to find. This is equivalent, right? Oh, don't explain first. Let me explain. If you keep asking, I cannot explain. Do you agree 6 times 2? Oh, 6 times 24 is 2 power times 2 squared. How question? Why don't I put a 2 at the bottom? Okay. Oh, good ah. Forward. I know what she's talking about. If I multiply this one, I get 加1 加1, the rest cannot start. Okay, 1 加1, what's this? 2 to the power of 5. Over? No, no over. Okay, that's what? 3, right? This power of 2. This one for that. So you must read the question. Do you follow what I'm talking about? Must read the question and follow. Okay? Alright. So this should be a 3, should be a 2. So this becomes a 2, 3 times 3, 3. Okay, can you take this down into your textbook? Take this down into your textbook. All of you. Now. Can see? So, K will be 2 times 3 squared. Answer? 89. Can see now? Can see now? We take out now. All three is also same thing. P and Q are what? Prime numbers. And we must make sure it's a perfect cube. Understand? Perfect cube is what? Power must be divisible by 3. Okay, let's write down. 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 4. Something over something, right? Okay. What should be this number? Prime numbers. 2, right? Can you see it's 2? Because 2 and 2 is 2 to the power 2. What should this be? 3, right? Can see what I'm talking about? Then this one will give me what? 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3, correct? That is divisible by 3. Correct? So, what is my P? No plus. 2. Q equals to 2. Take out. Are we clear? Now, last question. If you are still unclear about these two examples, go back and look at the video and try again. Do you understand? That's why I have my videos down there. Everybody clear? Okay, now, I'm going to continue with 2 more things. Okay? Now, can all of you look at your notebook? I also will ask you to try question 5, right? Okay? Are you able to estimate all the answers? Yes. Yes, no problem, Okay, good. Now, then, on your full sketch paper, I don't wish to say again, on your full sketch paper, you do until question. The last question was 3D, right? Yeah. Alright. I want you to continue on the full sketch paper. I want to do 2 questions for you on the full sketch. Because I need to catch your presentation. Okay? Anyhow, you cannot, Okay, continue on full sketch. You don't understand my instructions. Continue on where? Okay, good. Can all of you look at question 10? The volume of the box in a shape of a cube is 1 I find L? I must take cube root, right? 2197. Okay, press your calculator. What is cube root of 2197? 13. So this is 13 length. That means one length is 13 square. Agree? Then I want to see the question. Have I answered the question? Have I answered the question? Yes. What is the question asked for? Area of one side. That means what is the area of one side? So area will be what? 13 times 13. So 169 units cm square. You must have the units up. It's not 169 monkeys, donkeys, I don't know what. How's that up? Are you clear now? I'm not worried, you can get the answer up, but it's the way you present that's important. Now, can you see that I never write essay, right? I never write compositions, but I write simple words to represent the numbers. If you just write numbers, right, I suggest you get one out and Singapore rules and write total and body. Understand? But you cannot go in, you're illegal, understand? Underage cannot go in one, you must step outside, right? Is it correct? When your Amma die toto, do you step outside? Yes. Oh! That means you know what's toto. What's the probability of striking? Next time I'll teach you probability. What's the probability of you striking 4D and toto? It's near to 0, so better don't mind. Okay? Next, can you read question 11? Yes, continue on full step. Don't let me say 10 times up. Okay. What did the question say? 12x 2020 centimeter square pounds. That means the pounds looks like that. Once here, right? Okay. Dash. It makes the largest possible. Sorry, it makes the largest square possible using some of the 2020 square pounds. How many square pounds does he have left over? Understand? Okay. So I must find like that percent. Correct. Okay, all of you use a calculator. Give me. It's a decimal. Okay, correct to one decimal place for me. 44.9. No. You just put 44.9 first. Okay? That means it cannot be 45, right? It must be the 44 and 44, right? Alright. What did the question say? And all of you tell me. What is the largest one? No. How many times he makes the largest square possible using some of the 2020 square tiles? How many square tiles does he have left over, right? Now, all of you look up. Area made by tiles must be 44 times 44. Because I cannot have 45. This is the least, correct? It's the biggest square I can have. Look at the question. They say, what is the largest possible square, right? Okay, largest square possible. So, what is 44 times 44? Hold on. 1936, right? Okay, yes. cm square, right? Alright. Now, we have 2020. So, yes, number of tiles left 2020 minus 1936. What's the 4? Huh? Is it 24? 84. So, this person will have 84 square tiles left. Are we clear? Are we clear? Do you follow what I'm talking about? Yes, okay, focus. Okay, I want you to keep this exercise 1B. I will collect it on Friday so that you can look through my presentation and answer it and understand it. Okay, last section of the lesson. Friday. Yes, Friday. Okay, because tomorrow is which year? Okay, let's take a look at the functions. Actually, I've taught you already. Remember, I taught you the square t and the x to the power of whatever t. Then I taught you the square root t and the cube root t, right? For set 1, you only learn the cube root anyway. For whoever next time set 2, then I teach you. Okay? Now, then I need you to look at one key. Some calculator has it as A over B. Some calculator has it as rectangle over rectangle. This is the fraction key. That means whatever is on top is the numerator, whatever is below is the denominator. Okay, can we look at example 9? Can we look at example 9? Use the calculator to evaluate. A lot of people don't know what's evaluate. Evaluate means calculate the answer. Understand? Calculate the answer. Okay? Now, 8 squared plus square root 50 over 7 cubed minus cube root 62. All of you use your calculator, clean for me now. No need to follow the sequence of the calculator. No need to put open bracket. Just put numerator, denominator. Your calculator has a function. Then the question says, selecting the answer correct to 4 decimal places. I want you to give me the whole string of numbers. What's the answer? I know it's this. So? 0, 5. I write down the 20963621666. Is this correct? Okay, thank you very much. All can get? All can get numerator, denominator. What did the question say? How many decimal places? 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, 3 to drop off, right? So 0.2096. Are we clear here? Yes. So are you okay with keying the calculator with numerator and denominator? Yes, of course. Then I need to warn you. All of you key for me, cube root 64. Then you must put the error key out first. Then it becomes outside. Then you put minus. Now, if you still have a key in, right, the calculator will be like that, no? Minus inside, that is wrong already. You understand now? You understand what I'm talking about? So this is actually a 4 minus 4, right? Answer is what? 0. Do you understand? You must put out, then you start another one. If not, you will continue inside like that now. That is wrong already. Do you understand? Okay, class? Can or cannot? Can, Okay. What do I want you to do at home tomorrow besides your SLS lesson, Very easy one, don't worry. Okay. Look at page 15. Question 6. You just need to key in calculator. Okay. Write down the answer and check in the back of the textbook. Understand? If cannot get, tell me. Friday we'll key in together. If can get, it's okay. Yes. No. Question 6. Do it in the textbook. Just write answer. What not straight? Just write beside only now. Or right below now. You key in then write over here. No need to do working out, right? Everybody knows what I'm talking about? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. For first, I'm going to say again. Friday must have your exercise 1B. Okay, go back and look at the presentation again. Then this one to do in what? Textbook. Understand now? Key in and write down the answer. Check the answer with the back of the textbook. If cannot get, let me know on Friday. Okay? Then tomorrow for HDL, look at your SLS. Is that understood? Yes or no?